Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. It's Thursday from Death Valley. So windy last night, but it was potentially once in a lifetime opportunity here. It's so windy, I have to boil the water inside the pop-up pod. And my coffee is done. Coffee with the sunrise. Actually, the reflection of the sunrise. The sunrise is over here. It's now just before 8 o'clock. We just broke camp. Now we're gonna go do some sightseeing. Yeah, the first stop is the Borax Works. .5 ไมล์เอง This is Golden Canyon. We're just gonna do a 1.5 miles in and 1.5 miles out. So about a mile in, we came to a sign. Maybe this is where we should turn back, or maybe go to Red Cathedral. What do you think? Red Cathedral? Alright, Red Cathedral that is.ลงรูทรายป่ะ
ไม่ขึ้นแล้วเนี่ย
แค่นั้นเหรอ
มันแบบ
โอเค alright
ทำใจ
ไม่ไปยังมีที่ไปอีกโอเคกลับทางนี้นะคงง่ายกว่าตรงโน้นนะ Well, that was about 0.2 miles short of the end, but that was okay. No injury. That's a bonus. and we're having fun. Heading back to complete our 3-mile walk. Almost 3-mile walk. It's about lunchtime. Making peanut butter and jelly sandwich at Badwater. A bunch of cars. There's a parking place just off the Artist Drive. So we came up here. This is what I see. A windy spot. It's a little after 2. This is Sabisky Point. It's about 100 yards from the parking lot. It is now 2:45. We found a camping spot for tonight. Past a whole bunch of campers. This place is called the Pad. They order a bunch of pads. All right. It's 3:40. We finally are all set up for the night. We actually moved to a new spot behind this hill. Hopefully it will protect us from the wind. Got the kitchen all set up. Looks like the moon has risen. It is a little bit after 4 o'clock. It's now 4:30. The cooking has commenced.